I'm socially awkward VA and alam mo ba kung ano yung secret to be a virtual assistant? Alam mo ba kung ano yung one thing na kailangan mong gawin para maging virtual assistant ka? And ano yung one thing na dapat mong isipin kung gusto mo talaga maging virtual assistant? To be honest with you, if you really want this bad enough, if gusto mo talagang maging VA, if gusto mo talagang makahanap ng work from home job, you will do what it takes. You will do whatever it takes to be a virtual assistant. If only you really want this bad enough or you have a reason bad enough for you to do this. Despite all the noises, despite all the distractions. So ano yung one thing na kailangan mong gawin? If there's one thing I would tell you, it's to be consistent. Be consistent with what you're doing, especially sa mga applications mo. So be consistent with submitting applications kahit hindi ka motivated, kahit malungkot ka, kahit may sakit ka, kahit nilalagnat ka, kahit nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa, kahit feeling mo wala kang chance to be a VA, kahit feeling mo wala sa yung mga qualities to be a VA or wala ka ng mga skills to be a VA or sa kang beginner, kahit ano yung maramdaman mo or despite whatever you feel right now or at any moment, just be consistent with submitting applications araw-araw kahit ano yung nararamdaman mo. Kung motivated ka, mag-submit ka ng applications. Kung hindi ka motivated, mag-submit ka ng applications. Kung malungkot ka, mag-submit ka ng applications. Kung galit ka, mag-submit ka ng applications. Kahit ano pa yung nararamdaman mo, kahit ano pa yung emotion mo. Basta't maging consistent ka lang sa pagsasubmit ng application sa araw-araw. Inevitable yung mangyayari. Inevitable. Inevitably, magiging VA ka talaga. Just be consistent with it.